SGS Tekniks Manufacturing Pvt Limited is a preferred value creator for its customers. SGS Tekniks, set up by a group of 4 professionals in 1990, still continue to guide the company. Over the last 30 years, SGS Tekniks has gained the reputation of being a responsive, credible, quality-conscious and cost-effective provider of ODM and EMS services. It has registered a consistent growth year after year.
As a pioneer in the EMS industry, SGS has earned the trust and confidence of customers, suppliers, employees, bankers and partners.
Is having 5 manufacturing plants in India, along with Design and Development Center at Stuttgart, Germany and Gurgaon, India. Our state-of-the-art plants located in Infocity in Gurgaon, dedicated for exports, is an approved EHDP unit. Manesar in Gurgaon for high-end electronics manufacturing. Baddi in Himachal Pradesh for domestic customers having larger requirements, and Bangalore Plant 1 for meeting growing demand from customers based in South India, and Bangalore Plant 2 for manufacturing of electronic box-built products. SGS Tekniks offers designing, prototyping, sourcing and support services of high-tech and high-mix, medium to large volume, electronic systems and assemblies.
Our strength of response time to our customers on quality, delivery and technical support has given us a definite advantage over competitors from East European countries and China.
Focusing on innovation and quality, SGS Tekniks has constantly expanded its product portfolio from industrial, office automation and consumer electronics by adding segments like energy meter, automotive and lighting, and now focusing on additional segments like IoT and railways.
We are seeing great response in these new business opportunities, and a major breakthrough have already been achieved with few of the major international players in their respective fields.
Technology has always been a prime focus for SGS Tekniks. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities has environment-controlled manufacturing facilities meeting Class 8 and 9 clean room specifications with latest 9 SMT lines with a cumulative capacity of 1.2 million components per hour and include equipments like automatic radial insertion, axial insertion machines, chip shooter, fine pitch placer, automatic optical inspection, automatic loader, X-ray, selective soldering, robotic soldering, in-circuit tester, net-based automatic test equipment, manual insertion lines, automatic conformal coating machine, BGA rework stations, software tools, soundproof QC room. At SGS Tekniks, quality is preached and practiced at all levels. Stringent quality tests are performed on all products. These standards have earned the company the trust of clients. Emphasis is laid on year-on-year cost reduction by rich experience in global buying, alternate sourcing and continuous productivity improvement. SG Tekniks was among the first EMS companies to obtain the ISO 9001 certification in 1995. Today, SGS Tekniks has prestigious certifications like AS 9100 for aviation, space and defense sector, IATF 16949 for automotive sector, ISO 13485 for medical devices, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001. It has been ranked as one of the top 10 EMS companies in India. It gains over 30% of its revenue from exports to developed Western world. SGS Tekniks has won Dun & Bradstreet Business Excellence Awards 2018 in the mid-corporate segment for excellence in the electrical and electronic goods sector. It has been awarded for outstanding achievements in exports by Elsina EFY in 2018-19 and Business Excellence by Elsina EFY in 2018-19. Standards and Compliance ANSI S2020 ESD Compliance Soldering Standard IPC A610 and JSTD 001 Internal team of IPC Certified Trainer for IPCA 600 and IPCA 610.
The company works under SAP HANA environment and has an integrated, barcoded process and product traceability system in place. And the company strives to meet the demanding and exacting standards and requirements of Japanese and other multinational customers.
Customer trust on SGS Tekniks is self-evident from the fact that a lot of customers are banking upon SGS Tekniks to feed their line as a single source on daily and weekly basis in both domestic and export markets respectively. We take great pride in sharing the fact that average vintage of our customers is over 15 years.
The company has an internal dashboard for sharing the best quality and manufacturing practices. This enables a horizontal deployment of the best practices across all plants.
SGS Tekniks is committed to grow in every facet of its business and continuously scale new heights of success through delivering the most innovative and efficient comprehensive solution to their customers year after year.